Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today's video, we're going to be replacing the cabin air filter in a 2019 and newer, well at least in this case with when I made this video from the 2019 to 2024 Toyota RAV4. In this video, we're going to be using a K&N filter. There's going to be links in the description down below. You can actually hop onto Amazon, pick these up, or you can get some other cheaper ones. I know K&N filters are a little bit kind of above and beyond. A lot of people don't want to pay the extra money, but there's some really affordable options out there. I'm going to have multiple options in the links down in the description down below, so definitely go check those out. But let's go ahead and get started. All right, so to replace the cabin air filter, we're going to go into the passenger side to the glove box. We're going to go ahead and swing it down. And we're going to come right over here. It's actually like a little shock thing that helps kind of reduce how fast it goes down. We're just going to go ahead and pop this off right there. And then we're going to push in on each side of the glove box right there to drop it down. And there's that side. And then once it swings down, we can go right up under here. And this little cover right here is actually where we're going to pop it off. And right up here, there's going to be like these two little tabs we can actually kind of pinch together. And then this whole thing just swings right off. So we're going to go ahead and just kind of set that right here for now. And then go up in here and pull this out. So it's actually going to be kind of an interesting setup with it's like a little tray thing that it comes in. So we're going to go ahead and pop the filter out of that. And set that aside and go ahead, open up and grab the new filter. All right, so in this case, I actually did get the K&N filter, so it does have these like little notches right there, and that's actually for this little piece of plastic that sticks up. So we're gonna go ahead and align that accordingly. So then we'll slide this down into place in the little tray, and then make sure you pop it under that side right there. So now we can go ahead and take this and stick it right back up inside of here. Just like that. And then now we can go ahead and take this little cover, pop it back into place. And I'm just going to go ahead and hook in like that left side first, and then just kind of swing it in and snap it right back up into place. And then for the glove box, all we have to do is just raise it up, hooks back in, and then take this like little piece right here and just pop it right back on the end of that right there. And just like that, we are done. All right, so I really hope this video did help you guys out. If you are interested in picking up some of these parts, you can actually go check them out. There's going to be links in the description down below. And there's even going to be some links for other stuff I've actually done with this car as well. So definitely go check those out. But if you guys did like this video, definitely go down and hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this and maybe some others with the RAV4. Definitely hit the subscribe button. But like I said, don't forget to check out my channel. I do have some other videos on this car. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.